Hello everyone, welcome back new brand video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to use AI image on Instagram reel. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, open your app store and Play Store. Tap on this app store and from here you search for this Tone Me app. Tap on Tone Me app. Tap on this and from here what you need to do is install this type of app. I am already installed. Then tap on open. Wait some second. From here tap on cross icon and select any one filter. I am selecting six pack. Then choose a photo. Select any one image. From here tap on this cross icon. You guys can see uploading image. Wait some second. You guys can see. Then tap on download. Wait some second. After that go back to your home screen and open your photos. You guys can see from here you easily set your Instagram reels. You guys can see. If the video is helpful then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem share with me in the comments box. I am help you more. Thanks for watching.